How do we make our marriage to be even better? Hi, my name is Dougles Chan. Today I'm going to share some tips on how to make our marriage even better from a perspective of a husband and perspective of a 切门遁甲 master. So there are two angles we can look at is as a man, how do we make our marriage better? And as a master, how do we, from our chart, how do we see and make our chart even better? First of all, as a man, you must always understand that the angle of a lady is they like to have security. They like to be pampered. They like to feel attention. And from that angle itself, you need to give them those kind of things. Because if you never give them this kind of things, eventually they'll feel alone, they'll feel lonely, they'll feel depressed, and they have to find the gaps somewhere in other places. And because of that, even if you are busy, you have no time, you still have to make some effort to do it, isn't it? So the question is, you have to find the time, make an effort, at least show that you make an effort, that you are doing something about it. If not, if you're indifferent, if you're not doing anything, then eventually this whole marriage is going to turn sour and go south. And eventually, it will become a divorce case. So as a man, if you want to make your relationship better, you need to do these things. To do what thing? Give attention to the ladies. And then give them security. Security means that you must have enough money. You must have a good job, stable job, and have enough capital as a saving. And then things have to be stable. You cannot give anything that is insecure. That means you have to pay your bills. You have to give allowances every month. You have to ensure that whatever that needs to be paid is paid. This is called security. Don't drag your payment. Don't get things that are like leveraging resources, money, loan, all this kind of thing. Don't do that. These are insecure. Give them attention. Give them love. When you need to talk to them, or when they need to talk to you, give them time to talk to you. Even if you don't have a solution for what they are talking about, at least you can listen. There's something that you can do minimally as a man, as a husband. Give them the attention that they want. You can give them the caring that they need. Give them love. Shower with love. Maybe buy them a flower once in a while. Don't have to do it every day, but buy a present for them. Simple present will do, a gesture of goodwill. And then from there, you will be creating a lot of sparks. Or even look at the situation where last time when you caught this wife, what have you done to create the interest of the other party? Why aren't you making the effort now after you got married? Because you already got married, you don't do anything of such. Come on, you can be better than that. You can do that better than that. So make an effort to go after your wife again. Go for a movie, go for a walk, go for a dinner, whichever. Have time together, go for holiday. Then reignite the sparks before you got married. Those were the days where everything was very exciting. After a while, it becomes stale. Why? Who made the staleness? You make the staleness. Because life goes as per normal. So when life goes as per normal, nothing excites you anymore. Reignite the thing. It can be better. So the next part is from a 切门遁甲 chart is, can we see whether our marriage will be good or not? Yes, we can see. But I think that's not very important. Sometimes our chart, in terms of our marriage chart, it can be quite disastrous. But as long as we make an effort, we try to make an effort, we do something about it, and the other party is willing to be cooperative and willing to, then all things will be good. But even if we have a good chart, and we still don't do anything about it, things will get deteriorate eventually. So effort is very important. As a man, you need to put in effort. Don't wait for the ladies to put in effort. How much do you want? How much do you desire? This is something you have to consider, isn't it? If you really want to make things work, you can. Don't be shy. Sometimes I know men can be shy also. I mean, just be brave a little bit. Face are nothing. Ego are nothing. Just throw the ego and the face into the dustbin. Just say you're sorry. Just say you can make it. You will make a man. You will make an effort to get things up and running. Just say sorry. It's, of course, sincerely. But as long as you are willing to make an effort, your marriage can be better. And I wish you all the best in your marriage and relationship.